Dear students, welcome back to a new mathematics session. In the last session, we have discussed all the basic concepts of metrics. In today's session, we shall discuss exercise problems, that means problems from exercise 3.1. Let's move on to the topic. First question from exercise 3.1. In the matrix A is equal to matrix 2, 5, 19, minus 7, 35, minus 2, 5 by 2, 12, root 3, 1, minus 5, 17. We are asked to write the order of the matrix, the number of elements, write the elements A13, A21, A33, A24, A23. So here first of all the order of the matrix. Order of the matrix means we have to count the number of rows first, then we have to count the number of columns. Here 1, 2, 3 rows and 1, 2, 3, 4 columns. 3 rows and 4 columns. So the order is 3 by 4. Next is number of elements. Number of elements means just simply multiply these two order, that is 3 into 4, that is equal to 12. Then we are asked to find out the elements A13. A13 means first row third element. First row third element is 19. So that we have to write A13 is equal to 19. Next we are asked to calculate, or we are asked to find out A21. Second row first element. Second row first element is 35. So the answer is 35, A21. Next is A33. A33 here third row third element. Third row third element is minus 5. So we can write it A33 is equal to minus 5. Next is we'll be going for A24. A24 means second row fourth element. Second row fourth element is this one, 12. So the answer for A24 is 12. Finally we are asked to write A23. A23 second row third element. Second row third element is this one, 5 by 2. So we will be writing the answer A23 is equal to 5 by 2. Next we shall discuss question number 2. If a matrix has 24 elements, what are possible order it can have? What if it has 13 elements? So here 24 elements, altogether 24 elements are there in the matrix, and we are asked to find out the possible order, means the number of rows and columns we have to write, that is the order. So if it is given to us number of elements, we know that the number of elements can be calculated by multiplying the number of rows and columns. Means 24 we have to write as pairs of numbers whose product is 24. First of all 1, if we consider 1 into 24 is 24. So 1 comma 24 is one possible order, means 1 row and 24 columns. So when we reverse it also possibility is there, that means 24 rows and 1 column. Next when we consider with 2 and 12 multiplying time 24 will get. So 2 comma 12, another pair is 12 comma 2. Then next is 3 when we consider 8 into 3 is 24. So 3 comma 8 is one pair and 8 comma 3 is another pair. And we can reverse it. Why we are reversing in the sense 3 means here it is a number of rows and this is a number of columns. Here this is a number of rows and number of columns. We can reverse it, it's not a problem. Then next when we consider 4 into 6 is 24. So 4 comma 6 and another pair is 6 comma 4. So these are the possible pairs. When we multiply these two numbers we are getting as the product 24. So our question is what are the possible order it can have? So the possible orders are 1 by 24, then 24 by 1, 2 by 12, 12 by 2, 3 by 8, 8 by 3, 4 by 6 and 6 by 4. We have one more question. What if it has 13 elements? Previously 24 elements means these are the possible orders it can have, because 24 can be written as product of two numbers in these many ways. But here 13 elements means 13 is a prime number. Prime number means it is having only two factors, 1 and the number itself, means 1 and 13. So we can write only 1 into 13 and 13 into 1. So these are the pairs of numbers which will get the product as 13. So here 1 comma 13 and 13 comma 1 are the ordered pairs of natural numbers whose product is 13. We have discussed before. So the possible orders of matrix having 13 elements are 1 by 13 and 13 by 1, because these are the only two pairs which makes the product 13. So the possible orders are 1 by 13 and 13 by 1. Next, we shall discuss question number 3. If a matrix has 18 elements, what are possible orders it can have? What if it has 5 elements? Just similar to the previous question, we just take 18 and write it as a product of two numbers, and that pairs all together we will count and we will write as the order of the required matrix. And what if it has 5 elements? As before, 5 is also a prime number. Prime number means it has only two factors, 1 and the number 5 itself. So this question is similar to the previous question. You will do it as homework. Move on to question number 4. The question is, construct a 2 by 2 matrix. A is equal to matrix Aij whose elements are given by. Third question, Aij is equal to I plus 2j the whole square by 2. Here third question we are doing first, and first two questions just observe this question and try it as homework. Here this is a general form of an element, that is Aij is equal to I plus 2j the whole square by 2. So here we are asked to find out or make the 2 by 2 matrix. So first of all, the required matrix we can take it as A, and A is equal to 2 by 2 matrix, 2 rows and 2 columns. So the elements are A11, A12, A21, A22. First of all, we have to write this one and we have to make sure that the number of elements. Here 2 by 2 means 2 rows and 2 columns, 4 elements. Then we will be calculating A11 first. So Aij is equal to I plus 2j the whole square by 2. This is the formula given to us. By using this formula, we will be calculating each element. So A11 means I is 1, j is 1. So just to put I1, j1. 1 plus 2 into 1 the whole square by 2. So 1 plus 2 into 1 is 2 into 1 is 2. 1 plus 2 the whole square by 2, that is equal to 3 square by 2, that is 9 by 2. Calculation is quite simple. Then A12, I is 1, j is 2. So 1 plus 2 into 2 the whole square. It's substituted. 2 into 2 is 4. So 1 plus 4 the whole square by 2, that is 5 square by 2, that is equal to 25 by 2. Next is A21. This is the element we are going to calculate. I is 2, j is 1. So 2 plus 2 into 1. 2 plus 2 into 1 the whole square by 2. So 2 plus 2 into 1 is 2. So 2 plus 2 the whole square by 2. 2 plus 2 is 4. 4 square, that is 16 by 2, that is equal to 8. Finally, the last element A22. I is 2, j is also 2. Aij means I is 2, j is 2. So 2 plus 2 into 2 the whole square by 2. So 2 plus 2 into 2 the whole square by 2, that is equal to 2 into 2 is 4. So 2 plus 4 the whole square by 2, that is equal to 6 square by 2, that is equal to 6 square is 36. 36 by 2 is 18. So now all the elements we have got, just substitute and write the required matrix A. A is equal to A11, A12, A21, A22. Just replace these values there. That is equal to 9 by 2 is the first element, second element is 25 by 2, then A21 element is 8 and A22 element is 18. Just replaced. So this is the required matrix. Move on to question number 5. Question is, construct a 3 by 4 matrix whose elements are given by. First question, Aij is equal to 1 by 2 into modulus of minus 3i plus j. So this is a general form of a term is given. We are asked to form a 3 by 4 matrix, means 3 rows and 4 columns. So 3 by 4 matrix general form is this one. So A11, A12, A13, A14, A21, A22, A23, A24, A31, A32, A33, A34. Means there are 3 rows and 4 columns. 1, 2, 3, 4 columns. So each element we have to calculate first. So A11 means I is 1, j is also 1. So 1 by 2 into minus 3 into 1 plus 1. I and j we have replaced as 1. Then 1 by 2 into minus 3 into 1 is minus 3 plus 1. So 1 by 2 into minus 3 plus 1. Minus 3 plus 1 is minus 2. Modulus of minus 2 is 2. 2 by 2 is 1. Simple calculation. If you feel that all steps need to write, then only write, or else you can directly write the answer just after the first step. Then A21 we are calculating. This is the element. I is 2, j is 1. So minus 3 into 2 plus 1. I is 2, j is 1. Substituted. Then minus 3 into 2 is minus 6 plus 1 modulus value. So 1 by 2 into modulus of minus 6 plus 1. Minus 6 plus 1 is minus 5. Modulus of minus 5 by 2. Modulus of minus 5 is 5. 5 by 2. Next is A31 element we can calculate. A31 is equal to 1 by 2 into minus 3 into 3 plus 1. I is 3, j is 1. Just substituted. Then minus 3 into 3 is minus 9, minus 9 plus 1, modulus of minus 9 plus 1 by 2. Minus 9 plus 1 is minus 8, modulus of minus 8 by 2. Modulus of minus 8 means without sign it will come out plus 8. 8 by 2 is 4. Next is A12. This is the value we are calculating. A12 is equal to 1 by 2 into I is 1, J is 2. Minus 3 into 1 plus 2. Minus 3 into 1 is minus 3 plus 2. So 1 by 2 into modulus of minus 3 plus 2. Minus 3 plus 2 is minus 1. 1 by 2 into modulus of minus 1. Modulus of minus 1 is plus 1. So 1 divided by 2. Next is A22. 1 by 2 into modulus of I is 2, J is also 2. Minus 3 into 2 plus 2. Minus 3 into 2 is minus 6 plus 2. Modulus of minus 6 plus 2 by 2. Then minus 6 plus 2 is minus 4. So minus 4 divided by 2. Modulus of minus 4 by 2. Modulus of minus 4 is 4. 4 by 2, that is equal to 2. Next is A32. This is the element A32. One particular order we have to follow so that it will be easy for us to write final answer. So A32, when you take I is 3, J is 2. So 1 by 2 into minus 3 into I is 3 plus 2. J value is 2. Minus 3 into 3 is 9. 9 plus 2. Modulus of minus 9 plus 2 by 2. Minus 9 plus 2 is minus 7. That means modulus of minus 7 divided by 2. Modulus of minus 7 is 7. 7 divided by 2. Next, we will be going for A13. A13 is equal to 1 by 2 into modulus of minus 3 into 1 plus 3. So here I is 1 and J is 3. We substituted. Minus 3 into 1 is minus 3 plus 3. Minus 3 plus 3 is 0. So 1 by 2 into 0 by 2. 1 by 2 into 0. 1 by 2 into 0 is 0 itself. Next is A23. 23, this is the element A23. I is 2, J is 3. So 1 by 2 into modulus of minus 3 into I is 2 plus J is 3. Here we are substituting, don't forget. So 1 by 2 into, this is the value. Then minus 3 into 2 is minus 6 plus 3. Modulus of minus 6 plus 3 by 2. So minus 6 plus 3 is minus 3. Modulus of minus 3 by 2. Modulus value means just take out without sign. So 3 divided by 2. Next is A33. A33 means I is also 3, J is also 3. Third row, third element. So 1 by 2 into modulus of minus 3 into I is 3 plus J is also 3. Then minus 3 into 3 is minus 9 plus 3. Minus 9 plus 3 is modulus of minus 6 by 2. Modulus of minus 6 is plus 6 by 2. 6 by 2 is 3. Finally, the last column, that is A14. A14, if you take I is equal to 1, J is equal to 4. So 1 by 2 into minus 3 into I is 1 plus J is 4. Minus 3 into 1 is minus 3 plus 4. Minus 3 plus 4 is 1. So modulus of 1 is 1 itself. So 1 by 2 is the answer. Next one is A24. A24 is 1 by 2 into modulus of minus 3 into I is 2 plus J is 4. So minus 6 plus 4. Minus 6 plus 4 is minus 2. Modulus of minus 2 is 2. So 2 divided by 2, that is equal to 1. And the last element A34, that is I is 3, J is 4. 1 by 2 into minus 3 into I is 3 plus J is 4. So minus 3 into 3. Minus 3 into 3 is minus 9 plus 4. Modulus of minus 9 plus 4. Minus 9 plus 4 is minus 5. Modulus of minus 5 divided by 2. Modulus of minus 5 is plus 5. Plus 5 divided by 2. So all the elements we have calculated, just replace it in this. So the required matrix A is equal to, just write it, A11 value is 1, then A21 value is 5 by 2, it's written. Then next value is 4, that is A31 value is 4. Just column wise we calculated and write it column wise. Next is 1 by 2, 2, 7 by 2, it's written. Next is 0, 3 by 2, 3, it's written. Next is 1 by 2, 1, 5 by 2, that is written. So as I said before, when you calculate individual elements values, just follow it a particular order, either it is in column wise or row wise, so that it is easy for us to substitute, or else there is a chance of making mistake. Next we shall discuss the second question. Given Aij is equal to 2i minus j, I is equal to 1, 2, 3 and j is equal to 1, 2, 3 and 4. So there are general form is given to us and there are values of I and j is also given. So we have to form the matrix. So this question you will try it as homework. Next we shall discuss question number 6. Find the value of x, y and z from the following equation. There is a matrix equation is given. Matrix 4, 3, x 5 is equal to matrix y 5, 1, 5. Sorry, y z 1, 5. So this is a matrix equation and means these two matrices are equal. We have learned in equal matrices, if two matrices are equal means they should be in same order. Here also 2 by 2, here also 2 by 2. They are of the same order. And then their corresponding elements should be equal. Corresponding element means 4 if you take, 4 must be equal to y, 3 if you take, 3 must be equal to z, x if you take, it will be equal to 1. So it's a simple question. Since the two matrices are equal, their corresponding elements are equal. Means when we equate their corresponding elements, x we are getting as 1 because x second row first element, here also second row first element is 1. So x is equal to 1, corresponding elements equal. Next is y. Y is second matrix first element, means here first matrix first element is 4, so y is equal to 4. Next is the third variable z. Z is equal to their corresponding element in the first matrix is 3, z is equal to 3. So it is a direct question, quite simple question. Then question number 2, matrix x plus y 2, 5 plus z x y is equal to matrix 6, 2, 5, 8. So here also the two matrices are equal, means their corresponding elements must be equal. Then here x plus y is their first element and x plus y is equal to 6. So label it as equation number 1. Here directly we are not getting the variables values, so we have to form the equations and then we have to solve those equations to get the variable values. So x plus y is 6, we have labeled as equation number 1. Next is 5 plus z, second row first element in the first matrix. Here second row first element in the second matrix is 5. So 5 plus z is equal to 5. Label it as equation number 2. One more is there here, xy. Xy corresponding element is 8 here. So xy is equal to 8. That is the third equation. So here there are three variables, x, y and z. So there are three equations as well. So we have to solve these equations to get the values of the variable. And when you observe these equations, you can see the second equation. 5 plus z is equal to 5. It is having only one variable. So directly we can calculate the value of z. But when first equation and third equation while considering, there are two variables. So we have to go for a particular method for solving the equation. So directly we can take second equation at first. Then we can solve the value of z. So 5 plus z is equal to 5. From here z if you want to calculate, take this 5 to the right side. So z is equal to 5 minus 5. Z is equal to 0 we are getting. So this z is equal to 0 we have no use at present because we cannot substitute in first equation and the third equation as well because there is no z term. That means you have to go for another two equations separately we have to take and we have to use a particular method to find out x and y. So here we will be taking equation number 1. From equation number 1, that is x plus y is equal to 6. From here we can calculate the value of x. X is equal to y. If you are bringing to the right side, it comes as 6 minus y. X is equal to 6 minus y. Take this value of x and substitute in equation number 3. That means equation number 3 is xy is equal to 8. So x value when we substitute, it is 6 minus y into y is equal to 8. Remove the bracket. 6 into y is 6y, y into y is y square is equal to 8. So here this is not in a particular order. First term should be y square. So what we have to do is just multiply throughout a minus sign and bring this one to the first. Multiplying minus here means this will be coming as minus 6y, this will be coming as plus y square, this will be coming as minus 8. So just when you multiply minus and rearrange, will be getting as minus y square becomes plus y square. Plus 6y becomes minus 6y, plus 8 becomes minus 8. What we have done is we have just multiplied a minus sign or minus 1. Why we have multiplied means there is a minus y square term. For making it plus sign we have to multiply a minus. Then just bring it into the standard form. This minus 8 we can bring to the left side, that comes as plus 8. Y square minus 6y plus 8 is equal to 0. Now this is a standard quadratic equation and here by using splitting the middle term method we can solve this equation. Here the sum is minus 6 and product is 1 into 8. Sum is minus 8. So we have learned this one, sum is equal to minus 8. And the product when you take, it is coming as, sum is equal to not minus 8, it is plus 8 because 1 into 8 is plus 8. And the product when you take, it comes as minus 6. So when you take the numbers, it is quite clear the numbers are minus 2 and minus 4. Minus 2 and minus 4, when you take the sum, we will be getting as minus 6, and the product minus 2 into minus 4 is plus 8. So the numbers are minus 2 and minus 4. So we have to go for splitting the middle term, that is y square minus 4y minus 2y plus 8 is equal to 0. Minus 2 and minus 4 are the numbers. By using that numbers, we split the middle term. Middle term is minus 6. Minus 6 we split it as minus 4 and minus 2. Then in these two terms, there is y is common. If you take y, the first term y going out means y balance, and second term y going means there is 4 balance, so y minus 4. Minus, in these two terms there is minus 2 if you take common. First term minus 2 going out means only plus y balance. Second term plus 8 is there. Minus 2 when you are taking out means you have to divide with minus 2. 8 divided by minus 2 is minus 4 equal to 0. And these two terms, when we check, y minus 4 is common. So if you take y minus 4, in the first term there is y balance, and in the second term there is minus 2 balance. So y minus 2 into y minus 4 is equal to 0. Then y minus 2 is equal to 0, or from here when we calculate the value of y, this minus 2 we can bring to the right side, that becomes plus 2. So 0 plus 2 is 2. Y first value we got 2. Next, y minus 4 is 0. There is a product. Y minus 2 into y minus 4 is a product. If a product is 0 means any one of the quantities should be 0 or both should be 0. Then only the product will be 0. That means y minus 2 equal to 0 or y minus 4 is equal to 0. So here y minus 2 0 we will calculate in time. We got y is equal to 2. Next, y minus 4 is equal to 0. If you take y is equal to 0 plus 4, that is equal to 4. So we have got two values of y. Then when y is equal to 2 and when y is equal to 4, these are the two values of y. So that when you put y is equal to 2, the value of x is here 6 minus y, the value of x is 6 minus 2, that is equal to 4. Then when y is equal to 4, value of x is 6 minus y, that is 6 minus y value is 4 at present, 6 minus 4 is 2. So for two values of x we have got, for two values of y we have got two values of x. So here the final answer we can take, x is equal to 2, y is equal to 4, z is equal to 0. X is equal to 2, y is equal to 4, and z is having only one value, that is 0. Then one more set of values are there, x is equal to 4, y is equal to 2, and again z is equal to same 0. So these are the values of our variables. Move on to question number 3. The question is matrix x plus y plus z, x plus z, y plus z is equal to matrix 9, 5, 7. These two are both are column matrix, means there is only one column and 3 rows. So here also only one column, so it is called a column matrix. And these two matrices are given to us equal. So two matrices are equal means their corresponding elements are also equal. So x plus y plus z is equal to 9. That is our first equation. Second equation is x plus z is equal to 5. That is our second equation. Third one is y plus z is equal to 7, that we have marked as third equation. So when you check first equation, x, y and z is there. Second equation is having x and z. Third equation is having y and z. So there must be a particular pattern. Just we must have a plan how to solve this one. So when you check the second equation, we can calculate x in terms of z. When you see y, or when you see the third equation, y we can calculate in terms of z. So second equation, from second equation we will get x in terms of z. From third equation also we will get y in terms of z. And if you substitute these two values in first equation, the entire equation will change to in terms of z. So from there, first variable z we can calculate. So let's go for that. From equation number 2, x plus z is equal to 5. From here x we can calculate, that is z when you bring to the right side, it comes as 5 minus z. Then we can go for third equation also, y plus z is equal to 7. From here we can calculate y. So y is equal to 7 minus z. Now when you check, x is there in terms of z, y is there also in terms of z. So when we substitute these two in equation number 1, so we will get x plus y plus z is equal to 9. That is our first equation, and x value is 5 minus z, y value is 7 minus z, plus third variable z same is equal to 9. And when we solve this one, 5 minus z plus 7 minus z plus z is equal to 9. Same thing, only we have removed the bracket. Even without bracket if you write also it's okay. Then 5 plus 7 is 12. Then minus z plus z is gone. So there is a cancellation is there, that just we can cancel it. Minus z and plus z we can cancel. Then we will be getting the answer as 5 plus 7, that is 12, minus z is equal to 9. From here minus z is equal to 12, we can take to the right side, it comes as 9 minus 12. Then minus z is equal to 9 minus 12 is minus 3, so minus minus cancelling means z is equal to 3 will be getting. So we have got a value of one variable, z is equal to 3. Then z is equal to 3 in second equation if you put here, you can take, then x plus z is equal to 5. From here x plus z value is 3, so x plus 3 is equal to 5. X is equal to, take this 3 to the right side, it comes as 5 minus 3, so x is equal to 5 minus 3 is 2. Then putting z is equal to 3 in equation number 3, third equation if you put, y we will get. So y plus 3 is equal to 7. From here y is equal to 7 minus 3, plus 3 bringing to the right side means minus 3. So y is equal to 7 minus 3, that is equal to 4. So three variables also we have got, x is equal to 2, y is equal to 4 and z is equal to 3. So final answer we can write, x is equal to 2, y is equal to 4 and z is equal to 3. So this is our solution. Move on to question number 7. Find the value of a, b, c and d from the equation matrix A minus b, 2a plus c, 2a minus b, 3c plus d is equal to matrix minus 1, 5, 0, 13. Matrix equation, two matrices also of having same order, 2 by 2 of order. Then their corresponding elements will be equal. So two matrices are equal means their corresponding elements are equal. So a minus b is equal to minus 1. That is our first equation. Next 2a minus b, corresponding element is 0. That is equation number 2. Next is 2a plus c, the corresponding element is 5. They are equal. 2a plus c is equal to 5. Equation number 3. Next is 3c plus d is equal to 13. That is our equation number 4. So we have got 4 equations and we need to calculate the value of 4 variables a, b, c and d. So just go through these equations and just make a plan how we will solve. So here when you check first equation a minus b and second equation also having in terms of a minus b, means first two equations if we solve we will get the value of a and b, because these two equations are having only two variables a and b. Third equation and fourth equation if we check, a is there, means if you get a from first two equations we can substitute here and we will get the value of c. And once you get the value of c, you can substitute in equation number 4, we will get the value of d. So we have made a rough plan. So first equation and second equation we are going to consider. In these two, second equation I will be taking first, that is 2a minus b is equal to 0. From here if you calculate, 2a is equal to b and b is equal to 2a. So b we have got, b is equal to 2a we have got. Then we can take it equation number 1 and substitute. That means a minus b is equal to minus 1, that is our first equation, and b we are having value 2a. So a minus 2a is equal to minus 1. A minus 2a is equal to minus 1. Then a minus 2a we know the value, that is minus a. Minus a is equal to minus 1. Cancel minus minus both sides. So a is equal to 1 we have got. First variable value we have got, a is equal to 1. Since a is equal to 1, we can just substitute in b. We have got a statement here, b is equal to 2a, or else you can substitute in equation number 2, it's not a problem. Or here b is equal to 2a, ready-made we have kept, so just we can substitute here also. So b is equal to 2a if you consider, a is equal to 1 value we can substitute, that is b is equal to 2 into 1. 2 into 1, the value is 2. So b is equal to 2. First two variables we have got, a is 1, b is 2. Then here third equation if you check, there is a. So we can substitute a value by taking equation number 3. So equation number 3 is 2a plus c is equal to 5. A value is 1, that is 2 into 1 plus c is equal to 5. That is equal to 2 plus c is equal to 5. C is equal to, take these 2 to the right side, it is 5 minus 2. So 5 minus 2 is 3. So c is equal to 3 we have got. Now three variables a, b, c we have got. Then you can take equation number 4. If you take equation number 4, it is having C and D. C value we know, just substitute it. That is 3C plus D is equal to 13. C value if you substitute, 3 into 3 plus D is equal to 13. So 3 into 3 is 9. 9 plus D is equal to 13. From there D is equal to, take this 9 to the right side, it comes as 13 minus 9. So 13 minus 9 is, we are getting as 4. So all the 4 variables we have got. A is equal to 1, B is equal to 2, C is equal to 3, D is equal to 4. So we can write down the final answer. A is equal to 1, B equal to 2, C is equal to 3 and D is equal to 4. Move on to question number 8. It's a multiple choice question. A is equal to matrix Aij of order m by n is a square matrix if there are 4 options: m less than n, m greater than n, m is equal to n, none of these. So m and n are here, its order means number of rows and number of columns. If it is a square matrix means the number of rows and the number of columns should be equal. Then only we will be able to say that it is a square matrix. Example 2 by 2, 3 by 3, something like that. So here the correct option when we check, it is this one, option number C, that is m is equal to n. If m and n are equal only, we will be able to say that it is a square matrix. So since A is a square matrix, number of rows is equal to number of columns. So the correct option is m is equal to n, means correct option is option C. Move on to the 9th question. Which of the given values of x and y make the following pair of matrices equal? So there are 2 matrices are given and we have to find out from the list that which pair if you put for x and y, we will be able to make these 2 matrices equal. So the matrices are given to us: matrix 3x plus 7, 5, y plus 1, 2 minus 3x equal to matrix 0, y minus 2, 8, 4. So here 4 options are there. X is equal to minus 1 by 3, y is equal to 7. Not possible to find. Y is equal to 7, x is equal to minus 2 by 3, x is equal to minus 1 by 3, y is equal to minus 2 by 3. Among these 4, which is the appropriate option that we have to choose? Since it is given as equation, 2 matrices are equal, means their corresponding elements will be equal, means 3x plus 7 will be equal to 0. Then y minus 2 is equal to 5. Next is y plus 1 is equal to 8. Next is 2 minus 3x is equal to 4. But here there is a contradiction. When you check, there are 2 variables, x and y only is there, 2 variables, but there are 4 equations. So let's take 2 equations and find out the values of x and y. By taking equation number 1, 3x is equal to minus 7. That is plus 7 if you bring to the right side, it is minus 7. Since it is a multiple choice question, all the steps we are not including because we have to save our time when you solve these type of questions in the examination. So just reduce the step and do it. So 3x is equal to plus 7 bringing right side means will be coming as minus 7. From here x will get minus 7 by 3. Same way, if you take equation number 4 also having x value. So just to take equation number 4, 2 minus 4 is equal to 3x. Take this minus 3x to the right side and plus 4 to the left side. Minus 3x coming to the right side means we will get plus 3x. Plus 4 going to the left side means we will get minus 4. So 2 minus 4 is equal to 3x. 2 minus 4 is minus 2. Minus 2 is equal to 3x. X is equal to minus 2 by 3. Now you can check, for one single matrix equation we are getting 2 values of x. X is equal to minus 7 by 3 and x is equal to minus 2 by 3. So it is not possible. One matrix equation means we must be able to get only one value of x. But here when we solve, we have got, for one equation we have got 2 values of x. So x cannot have 2 values. So the correct option is B, means not possible to find, because these values are not suited here, the other 3 pairs. So the correct answer is option number B, not possible to find. Move on to the last question of this exercise, question number 10. The number of all possible matrices of order 3 by 3 with each entry 0 or 1 is 27, 18, 81, 512. So here number of all possible matrices of order 3 by 3 square matrix means 9 elements will be there with each entry 0 or 1. Each entry means each element can be either 0 or 1. So here A be the, we have to assume that a particular matrix, that is A, it is of order 3 by 3, and the general form or of a 3 by 3 square matrix is this one: A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33, and it is of order 3 by 3 because there are 3 rows and 3 columns. Then when we check here, A11 can be either 0 over 1, A12 also can be either 0 over 1, A13 also can be either 0 or 1, like that up to A33 also can be either 0 or 1. Means total 9 elements are there. Each item can be filled in two ways, either 0 or 1. First one, A11, either you can put 0 or 1. And A22, if you take also, you can put either 0 or 1. Like that all the elements. Means number of matrices possible is here A11, first element 2 possible ways, second element 2 possible ways, third element 2 possible ways, etc. up to into 2, means up to 9 times we have to multiply because there are 9 elements are there. First element 2 times, second element 2 possible ways, third element 2 possible ways, fourth element 2 possible ways, etc. up to 9th element is 2 possible ways. Means 2 into 2 into 2 up to 9 times. So 2 into 2 into 2 9 times is 2 power 9. 2 power 9 is not here, so we have to find out the value. 2 power 9 is 512. So 512 possible matrices we can make, which is of order 3 by 3, having elements 0 or 1. Dear students, today we have discussed problems from exercise 3.1. Comparatively, it is a very simple topic and simple problems as well. Make sure that you have well practiced. If you have any doubt, please note it and keep. We will discuss it during the discussion session. Thank you for watching.